Before we begin, we just wanted to congratulate all of you on your new terms or your continuing terms and your new team here. We recognize it's a challenging time to lead, and we appreciate you willing to serve our community in this capacity. So thank you. My name is Jodi Mijares. I am the CEO of Community Partnership Family Resource Center. And with me today, we have Kim Mauthe. She's the Director of Teller County Department of Human Services and my awesome colleague and partner in providing prevention services for families and children in Teller County. Also with me today is Santos Perez. He is one of Community Partnership's parent participants, one of the amazing parents that we, my team and I, have the privilege of working with every day at Community Partnership.
So Jodi and I each lead very different agencies who come together to provide over $1 million a year in prevention programs and services for children and families in Teller County. The three of us here today to spread awareness of the importance of preventing child abuse and neglect in our community.
And I just wanted to give some background before you read the proclamation. The month of April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and the symbols of this awareness campaign are the color blue and pinwheels. So this time of year, you may see gardens of pinwheels planted around our community. The photo up on the screen is the one at Community Partnership. And what pinwheels represent are the bright childhoods that we all want for children.
And I did want to add, we are going to be from the county, and for the chief to know that tomorrow we're going to do a procession of white county cars with blue flags on them, and they will be going throughout the community.
As community members, our most basic obligation is to support the healthy development of the children of our community. When we invest in healthy child development, we are investing in community and economic prosperity, because great childhoods allow children to grow into productive, contributing adults for our future. And building healthy communities takes work. We all have a responsibility to ensure that children have positive experiences and that families have the resources that they need when they need them. Together, we can put families first and help relieve some of the overload that parents and caregivers experience. And on that note, we have a parent and caregiver from our community, and he has prepared some remarks from that perspective that we would like for him to share with you. Yes? Okay. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Santos Perez, and I'm a resident here in Woodland Park and an active participant in two of the programs, the Nurturing Families programs and also the PAT program. And being a part of these programs, they have empowered me with the tools needed to succeed. And while the group classes, they've also helped me to build upon myself as a nurturer in the group setting, and also advocate in our experiences as parents. It helped me to build my strengths, all while learning and making new connections in our local community. The amount of growth within myself and in my family is amazing, and I'm very appreciative for all I've had access to. This all has helped me to have a brighter and optimistic outlook on the future for the kids, the next generation of our community. Thank you.
We may have a couple of community partnership people in the audience. Anyway, thank you, Santos. We're super proud of the work that our parents do in improving their lives and the futures of their children. It is really an honor to lead an organization like Community Partnership Family Resource Center that empowers parents and caregivers to do their very best job in raising our community's children.
And in conclusion, we have prepared a proclamation for April as Child Abuse Prevention Month, and I'm grateful to have it read into the record of this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Kim, and I'm sorry I mispronounced your name. Proclamation, April is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Whereas children are vital to our community's future success, prosperity, and quality of life, as well as being our most valuable assets. And whereas the children deserve to have the safe, stable, nurturing homes and communities they need to foster their healthy growth and development. And whereas child abuse can have long-term psychological, emotional, and physical effects that have lasting consequences for victims of abuse. And whereas child abuse and neglect are serious problems affecting every segment of our community, and finding solutions requires input and action from everyone. And whereas prevention remains the best defense for our children and families, and effective child abuse prevention activities succeed because of their partnerships created between child welfare professionals, education, health, community and faith-based organizations, businesses, law enforcement agencies, and families. That was a tough one. And whereas communities that provide parents with the social support, knowledge of parenting, and child development, and concrete resources they need to cope with stress and nurture their children to ensure all children grow to their full potential. And whereas all members of a community benefit from creating conditions that support strong and healthy families. And whereas we acknowledge that we must work together as a community to increase awareness about child abuse and to promote the social and emotional well-being of children and families in a safe, stable, and nurturing community. Now therefore, the City Council of the City of Woodland Park hereby proclaims April 2024 as Child Abuse Prevention Month in Woodland Park, Colorado, and urges all citizens to recognize this month by dedicating themselves to improving the quality of life for all children and families. And I understand that you